Sai Ram students, welcome to the second session of chapter 12, that is perimeter and area. So children, in the last session we had taken some figures and we found out the perimeter of that particular figure. May it be a rectangle, a square or a triangle or a pentagon. So different shapes we saw. So what we used to do, whatever sides were there, all those sides we used to add them. We used to take the sum of all the sides and find out the perimeter, right? So now children, today we will be seeing the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. What is the formula for calculating the perimeter of a rectangle? Now you can see here children in the figure, rectangle, as I had told you, the opposite sides are equal, right? So if you can see here, this is the horizontal side, that is the length, and these are the vertical sides, those are your breadth, right? So for calculating the perimeter of a rectangle, the formula is length plus breadth plus length plus breadth, right? So what we used to do, we used to calculate all the four sides, that is length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So now what we will do, the opposite sides of a rectangle are of the same length. So the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to twice the length plus twice the breadth, because there are two lengths given and two breadths given. So we are writing in the formula as twice the length plus twice the breadth, right? So 2 times you are taking the length and 2 times you are taking the breadth. So we will write as is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth, right? 2 is your twice. So your main formula for calculating the perimeter of the rectangle will be 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Now whatever word problems we will calculate or we will solve children, that time we are going to use the formula as perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So you have to keep this in mind, the formula. Okay children. So what is the formula for the calculating the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Now we'll take a example. The length of the rectangle is 7 centimeter and its breadth is 3 centimeter. Let us find the perimeter. Now what is given in the figure? The length is 7 centimeter. So here children, what is the length? QR is your length, which is 7 centimeter. Now since rectangle opposite sides are equal, so PS, which is the length, that is also 7 centimeter, right? Now its breadth is 3 centimeter. So breadth is your PQ, right? So PQ is 3 centimeter. So again opposite sides are equal. So SR is also your breadth. So that also you will write it as 3 centimeter, right? Now we will find out the perimeter. Now perimeter of a rectangle PQRS is equal to, what is our formula? 2 into length plus 2 into breadth, right? So what we will do, we will now calculate. So we will write 2 into, what is the length? Length is 7 centimeter plus 2 into breadth. What is the breadth? It is 3 centimeter, right? Now what is 2 sevens are? 2 sevens are is 14. And what is 2 threes are? 6. So 14 plus 6 is equal to 20, right? So therefore the perimeter of the rectangle is 20 centimeter, right? So we'll just write the formula. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. We will put the value of the length and we will put the value of the breadth, and then you will get the perimeter. I hope students you have understood this example. Now we will find out the perimeter of a square. What is the formula for the perimeter of a square? So as in a square, all the four sides are equal, right? So the perimeter of a square is 4 into length of one side, right? So 4 sides, so that's why we have written 4. And even if they give length of any one side, you will multiply it by 4 and you will get the perimeter, right? So perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side. Let's take an example for it. The length of one side of a square is 6 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Now, length of one side is 6 centimeter. Now, square, all the 4 sides are equal. So, all the 4 sides will be 6 centimeter only, right? So, we will find out its perimeter. So, what we will write? The perimeter of a square is 4 times the length of the one side. And what is the formula? Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side. So what is the length of one side given? It is given as 6. So what is 4 6 4 6 is 24. So you will write the final answer as, therefore perimeter of the square is 24 centimeter. So you have to remember, children, both these formulas for perimeter of a rectangle and perimeter of a square. Now we will take some examples of word problem. The length of a rectangular park is 100 meter while its width is 80 meter. What is its perimeter? Right? So in the question it is given, children, it is a rectangular park, right? And what is the length? It is 100 meter. And width means, children, it is called as breadth also, right? It will be given in the question either as breadth or as width. Both are the same. So what you can do, children, you can make a diagram if you want. This is the rectangle, right? Length is 100 meter. So I will write here as 100 meter and width is 80 meter. So the breadth is 80 meter, right? So like this you can draw the diagram for your purpose, okay? And then you can use the formula. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So what you will do? 2 into 100 plus 2 into 80. So 2 into 100 will be 200 plus 2 into 80 will be 160, right? So your answer will be 360 meter, right? So let's calculate it. So first what you will write? The formula. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Then we will substitute the values. So as I told you, length is 100 meter, breadth or width is 80 meter, right? So 2 into 100 plus 2 into 80. Now 2 into 100 is 200 and 2 into 80 is 160, right? So 200 plus 160 will be how much, children? 360, right? So final answer you will write, the perimeter of the rectangular park is 360 meter, right, children? So just you have to remember the formula and then accordingly you will substitute the values and you will get the answer, right? So let's move to the second example of the word problem. How much wire will be needed to put a triple fence around a square plot with side 30 meter? What will be the total cost of the wire at rupees 70 per meter? Now here, children, there are two questions, right? So first, what is given? A triple fence has to be put around a square plot. Now what is given? It is a square plot. That means first you will have to find out the perimeter of a square, right? So in the question only it is given square plot. So when it is given square plot, you will use perimeter of a square. right? So perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side. So side is given as 30 meter, right? So 4 into 30 will be 120 meter. So the perimeter of the square plot is 120 meter. Okay, so this is one part. Now what is the second part, children? Second part is it has to the square plot has to be put a triple fence. Fence means you have to cover that square plot, right? So when you want to cover this square plot, it has to be put a triple fence. Triple means 3 times, right? So now what answer you got? Perimeter of a square 120 meter. So triple fence has to be put means 3 times. So what you will do? 120 into 3. Right? So 120 into 3 means you get 360 meter. Right? So you will require 360 meter of wire for putting a triple fence in the square plot. This is the second part of the question. Now there is a third part. What is given in the third part? What will be the total cost of the wire at rupees 70 per meter? Right? Now we have found out how much wire is required. Now we have to find out what is the total cost, right? So we got how much answer, children? 120 into 3, we got 360, right? So 360 into 70 when we calculate it, we will get the total cost of the wire, right? So read the question, children, carefully. There are 3 parts in this question, as I told you, right? First of all, the square plot is given. So first you will find out the perimeter of the square. Then second part is a triple fence has to be put. So you will multiply that perimeter into 3 times. And then last part is you have to find out the total cost, right? The per meter cost is given. You have to find out the total cost by multiplying it, right? So let's have a look at the answer. Now, to put a single fence around the square plot, we need to find its perimeter, right? First we will put a single fence, right? For that we have to calculate the perimeter, right? So perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side, right? Then what is it? 4 into 30. Length of one side is 30 meter, which is given in the question. So 4 into 30, it is how much? 120, right? Now this was the first part of the question. So the perimeter of the square plot is 120 meters. This is for a single fence, that is one fence. Now we will find out the answer for the triple fence, that is 3 times you have to put a fence. So the perimeter of the square plot is, as I told you, 120 meters. Since the fence is said to be a triple fence, we must triple the perimeter. Triple the perimeter means 3 times you have to multiply, right? Now, so 120 into 3 is equal to 360 meter of the wire will be needed, right? So you require 360 meter of wire for putting a triple fence around the square plot, right? If you want to put a single fence, you will require 120 meter. But if you want to put a triple fence, you will require 360 meter of wire. So this was the second part of the question. Now we'll move to the third part of the question. Now let us find out how much the wire will cost. 1 meter of the wire costs rupees 70, right? It was given in the question, it is rupees 70 per meter. Rupees 70 per meter means rupees 70 for 1 meter. Then therefore the cost of 360 meter of wire will be 360 into 70. So this 360, children, we got it from the perimeter, right? We found out the perimeter and then we multiplied it by 3, right? So we got 360 meter. So when 1 meter of wire costs 70 rupees, so 360 meter of wire will cost how much? So you have to multiply 360 into 70. So when you multiply 360 into 70, you get the answer as 25,200. Right? You can directly do the multiplication also. 36 into 7 I will take. Right? 7 6 are 42. So 4 carried over. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. Right? So 36 into 7, you get the answer as 252 plus this 2 zeros. So when I add these 2 zeros, I get 25,200. Right? So my answer is 25,200. So the total cost of wire for putting a triple fence around the plot will be rupees 25,200. So I hope students you have understood this second word problem. You have to solve it part by part so that you do not face any difficulty while solving it. Right? So students, this was what about the word problem examples. So in the next session children, we will be solving problem set 49. Right? And just before ending this session, let's again revise the formula. Right? Let's recap the formula. Formula for calculating the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. And formula for calculating the perimeter of a square is 4 into length of one side. Right? So students, will meet in the next session. Till then, goodbye.